Would you like to design better multiple page layouts much faster? I'm talking about company profiles, magazines, presentations, newspapers, annual reports, brand guides, and much more. Whether you're a creative director or graphic designer looking for a nice template for your next multiple page layout design project, we got you covered. Pabzzy provides you with a template you need to produce amazing results. With our wide and fast-growing collection of attention-grabbing layouts, we'll help you take your visual communication ideas from concept to print-ready items in no time. Our approach to template design is different. While most other platforms provide you with just a cover template or a mock-up of a publication, we go much further and give you the full premium multiple-page template for your personal or commercial use. And to make things even better, our templates come in the various popular software formats such as Illustrator, InDesign, PDF, and EPS to allow you to edit it in your favorite design application. Using a template from Pabzzy is seamless. Simply go to www.pabzzy.com, search for a template, then click to see it in preview mode. And if you like it, hit the big download button. Open it in your design software, then replace the text and images in a few simple steps. And voila, your document is now ready to print or share. Be awesome! Download a template from Pabzzy today.